The relationships in your family are broken. Your relationship with your husband, your relationship with the Lord Jesus Christ, and possibly with your children. You cannot rebuild your relationship with your husband until you rebuild your relationship with the Lord Jesus Christ. As you allow the Lord Jesus Christ to direct your every decision, every thought, every belief, and every activity, then you will become the wife and mother that He intends you to be. You must surrender to Him and follow Him daily. Don't worry about your husband. Just pray for his righteousness and let the Lord handle him. Your changes will be a great influencer to changes in your husband. The Lord directs you to focus on yourself and act as follows starting today. Let's explore some transformative steps to enhance your relationship. Step 1. Start making mutual enthusiastic decisions and stop making independent decisions. Step 2. Start forgiving each other. Let go of holding grudges. Step 3. Rekindle the romance. Don't let indifference take root. Step 4. Dedicate at least 2 hours a day to spend together. Avoid not spending any time with each other. Step 5. Embrace being unselfish. Resist the urge to be selfish. Step 6. Try to see through Christ's eyes instead of the world's eyes. Step 7. Engage in proactive parenting rather than passive parenting. Step 8. Spend time with the Lord. Don't reject Him. Finally, Step 9. Let Jesus heal your past traumas. Stop letting fear and control dominate your life. You must apply and practice these biblical behaviors of love toward your husband, the Lord, and your children daily. A practical way to do this is by scheduling these behaviors on your calendar as specific activities. Here's a good start. Schedule on your calendar these activities. Start by staying up later to join whatever your husband enjoys doing at night. Go to bed at the same time as he does, in the same bed, and wake up with him. Invite him to do a morning devotional with you. Make coffee for both of you to enjoy together when he wakes up. Tell him that you love him, and give him a hug before he leaves for work. During the day, send him a text letting him know you're thinking about him. When he arrives home, greet him with a hug and a kiss. Thank him for working so hard for your family. Fix dinner so the two of you and your children can eat together. Throughout the evening, compliment him, support his projects, and tell him how much you love spending time with him. Notice that in all these actions, you are not telling him what to do or how to change. You are simply letting the Lord change your heart and your actions, and you're leaving your husband in the Lord's hands.